No deals are being made here. This is going to be a good one. This is going to be a good one. We're waiting for the tires to be in place. Looks like we got the tire on the west end. We got the tire on the east end. We got green flags in the air. Crowd, help me count them down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it on, Bluegrass drivers. Right off the top. That's one silver driver in the mini car. You do not want to mess with right there. That man's the drive. That man's the dude. That man's the Oh, the 145. Really nice. That's the guy. The seems to be on the block. There it is. Oh, look at that going. We got red flag driver, red flag. Nice job, 24. Nice job, Andrew Blakely, getting that thing chopped for green flags in the air. I got green flags all the way around. 3, 2, 1, go! Green flag. Seven and a half, a Logan off into the front of the Blakely machine. Oh, good job. Good job from Blakely. William Maddy. Good shot from William Maddy into the front wheel. Red flag, drivers, red flag. Hold him up. All right, we're looking for green flags all the way around. I've got green flags all the way around. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it, driver. Weld 05 on the clock. Shot from the 145 of William Maddy. The 08 of Tim Blakely breaks off of that shot. Red flag, red flag. We have got to get out and check on that driver. We need a medic to the track. Medic to the track, please. Down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Any stop, driver? Oh, we got a fire in the 67 and a half. Red flag, red flag.
No, don't get it.
That fire there is going to put the 67 and a half Logan Moss out in third place. The 12:05 within class will go back on a fresh 60-second clock. Assuming we'll probably see a break off pretty quick here, but not till the green flag drops, Ben. All right, let's count them down. 3, 2, 1, green flag. All right, we're ready for the 145 to make the final hit. That's going to be it. The 1205 of Ben Klaus breaks off your winner. The 145, William Maddie. Second place, the 1205, Ben Klaus. Your winner, 145, William Maddie.